Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, I forgot to film my intro because this video was filmed at like 11:30 in the night, so I didn't get a chance, or totally forgot about filming an intro actually. So enjoy this crappy intro, me in my pajamas, which is the only, I literally wear the same clothes in every single video, I'm sorry. Anyways, without further ado, just enjoy the video. I really love how the look turned out. It's like a purpley, glittery, pinky cut crease. I'm sure you've seen it already, but yeah, if you guys enjoy, let's get started. Okay, I can't do webcams. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this pink purple glitter cut crease look. I really love how it turned out, so I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Starting off by priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. eyelid primer. Now I'm just going to set my eyelids because I fear creasing. I always have to set my eyelids way too much, but I can't not do it. Alright, now I'm going into the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette and taking the purple shade called Pageant Queen. I'm taking that on a Morphe brush. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'm putting that right above my crease. I do it above my crease because I have slightly hooded eyes, so when I open my eyes, I want to be able to see that nice, blown out, defined purple part of the eye. Now I'm going in with more purple just to kind of intensify it. In a second, you'll see me go in with some of the pink, which is called Kai Kai, I believe. And I just blend that into the inner corner. You'll see that in a second. Here we are. Okay, so I'm just blending that pink in there as well. You can see that. I'm going to be quiet now. I'm just going to keep going back and forth, putting more purple on the brush, blending it out, putting more pink on the brush, blending it out. Now I'm going in with my Hourglass Vanish Foundation Stick on a Morphe brush. Also, this is the only one I had at the moment that was clean, so it's not ideal, but it works. And I'm going to cut my crease. I love the Hourglass Foundation Stick for this because it's super full coverage and it's the perfect formula for this, so yeah. Now I'm going back into that palette and taking the same purple shade again on a different brush. And I'm just going to intensify it a little bit more because I really want that purple to stand out. And then I go with the pink again, of course, to just make sure I have a nice blended fade between the pink and the purple. Now I'm going to do the glitter part of this look, so I'm taking the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter eyeliners. These are amazing. I only have them in one shade, but I do want to get all the shades. I love these glitters. They are the best quality glitters ever. And I just decided I was going to dry my glitter with a fan because I wanted it to dry fast. Okay, now I'm just going to put pink and purple all over my lid. So I'm starting with the pink Kai Kai shade right in the center. And then on the inner corner, I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and I put the Pageant Queen purple shade in the inner corner because I just wanted it to be kind of backwards because I thought it looked more interesting. So purple on the inner corner and then blending the pink all the way out to the end. I just cleaned up my line super quickly, popped on some eyelashes. I don't know what these eyelashes are. I've worn them so many times. They're pretty old, but they are still in great shape. They're the best eyelashes I've ever purchased. I need to find the name for them for you guys, but for right now, I don't know what they're called. I'm putting on some mascara. I think I'm using the L'Oreal, the one of the pink tube that looks like the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah. Now I'm just going to put some shadow on my lower lash line with a Morphe brush, and I'm taking the pink and the purple once again and just blending out my lower lash line. I'm going in with a bigger brush just to smoke out my lower lash line and make it super blended. Now I'm going in with my favorite part, which is the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade 714, and putting that on my waterline to really add some contrast and just make it look more interesting. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just putting some mascara on my bottom lashes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.